B.dry, more than just stainless steel. Wherever relubrication is undesirable or impossible, iwis maintenance-free b.dry chains demonstrate their full potential. They are hygienic and require absolutely no lubrication. B.dry chains are a perfect combination of corrosion-free, maintenance-free CF stainless steel and our newly developed b.dry bushes made of special high-performance polymer material. The capabilities of the b.dry bushes are absolutely unparalleled and undeniably unique. B.dry heavy-duty bushes are completely dry, FDA-compliant, low-friction and highly resistant to chemicals. This means B.dry chains are stronger, more stable and display significantly higher wear resistance. Pinching is unavoidable when assembling thin-walled steel carrier bushes. In order to nevertheless ensure consistent quality and performance of the B.dry chains, every bush is individually ball-drifted. This gives the optimized articulated link bearing significantly higher wear resistance and prolongs the service life of the chain. As an added bonus, this technique also reduces length deviation and initial stretch. B.dry maintenance-free chains are absolutely dry, extremely wear-resistant, highly durable, corrosion-free and, in a dry state, iwis-free. They have a significantly longer wear life than comparable chains. In a dry state, twice as good. And with initial lubrication, even 4 times as good. Steel on steel is a thing of the past. More than just stainless steel. B.dry from iwis.